going on, everyone? Get a 2023 Kia Forte. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the remote if you want to change the battery. It's not too hard. What you're going to do first is you're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that you're going to push, okay, and then you can pull it out. Sometimes these can be a little bit stuck. You got to push pretty hard or pull pretty hard. They get kind of gummed up, so just be patient with it. This one is a little tricky too, okay? You can see the emergency key popped right out. Now what I want you to do is turn the remote over like this, where the buttons are on your left side, and we're going to split the remote open. You can see there's a seam here, but with the buttons on your left side, I want you to get a flathead screwdriver, and I want you to put it into this space right here on the fob, okay? Hopefully you can see that pretty good. There's a couple spaces in here. You're going to use this one, and you're going to use this space to pry the remote open, okay? This is the best place for it. You can see how I kind of did it right here, and it's actually this space right here, okay? Once you get it off, the back panel is where the battery is. Let me just pry the remote off, or the battery off, I'm sorry. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR 2032, and all you got to do is get the battery and stick it face down back in the back half of the remote like that, and then we just get the two halves. We just put them back together, snap it back together. You heard it snap like that. Emergency key goes back in, and if it goes in good, locks in and everything like that, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button.